Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to apply press-on nails. These nails were from Walgreens and they are very cute, stylish, and affordable. So I had Mimi choose which nails she wanted me to wear and she chose this pink set. Now, no judgment over here because that is also my favorite color. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. She had 3 boxes of nails, but she went and opened 2 of them. So today she's just going to be wearing this red and white cherry set. Normally the nail salons that I go to offer either a glass of champagne or a glass of wine. So I wanted Mimi to have the full-on experience, and I did offer her either a choice of juice or some yogurt, and she opted to have the juice. The first thing I did to prep Mimi's nails for her press-ons was to clear her nails of any debris using this fan brush, and then I went ahead and took a cotton ball and just damped it with some water. I used a little spray bottle and sprayed some water on it and just cleared her nails of any dirt. Mimi has always been really interested in hair and makeup, and she watches little makeup videos here and there, and she's also very curious about my own personal makeup, which is why I decided to just give her and myself a little pampering at home today. There are some little numbers at the tip of the nail, so just find the right size, peel the clear backing off, and stick to the nail. If you'd like to do a full-on manicure, just take a little bowl with some warm water, add some soap, and let them soak their little fingers in there for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes or so, just to get their cuticles nice and soft. Then add some lotion to moisturize their hands before you start applying the nails. Once I'm done with all of that, I'm going to take the alcohol again to remove the residue which was created during filing. Then I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and push my cuticles back. This makes the press-on nails fit so much better and look more natural once the nails are applied beneath the cuticle. It gives the illusion of you just walking out of a salon with a full set of...
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Are our finished looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.